Hello, my name is Aris Torres, and we're gonna be making field day shirts.
Hi, my name is Teresa, and we will be making nice field day shirts.
Hi, my name is Shamira, and we're going to be making nice field day shirts.
Hello, my name is Julian. Today we are going to be making a Pinterest field day shirt.
So first, what you want to start out, you want to start putting your letters anywhere on the front or back. You can put them like wherever you want to put them. For me, I'm going to be putting it on the sleeve. And we wait.
You can also make it diagonally, cross, or up and down.
You could put any design you want, and try. And if it works really well for nice designs, and it's one of my field day crafts, my favorite field day crafts at the homeschool.
So when you're all finished putting on your shirt, you get bleach and you spray right over your letters, as I am doing. And everybody will have their turn to do that when they are done.
You could put anything you want on your shirt, designs. You don't even have to just stick your name. This is bleach. So then it dries, and when it dries,
You can take out
you can
your
take
letters.
it out, your letters, and oh, I need to spray it again.
Voila!
And if it doesn't work, you can always redo it to make it look even better. Or you can just get another chip from your closet and redo it.